Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at Homegrown Home in Cincinnati, Ohio. We're going to start off with our buckheads from Hello Bear. These are Caleb's favorites. They are fantastic. So it's art gallery fabric. We have them in all different colors. We're waiting on the charcoaly gray again. We used it in a kit, so we're waiting on more of that. But this feeds in well, so we're doing some rearranging here at the shop. You guys all know probably about our blender wall, but now we're going to have sort of our solids and modern wall. So our Ruby Star is going to go over here, a lot of our AGF fabric, all of our solids, and our flannels and things we have are going to be moving. So that's fun, so stay tuned. That's why it's a little empty right now. We're not done yet. Then we're going to do some sale panels for you guys. So this is called Encore. It is a music themed panel and it's on sale for $5. It's usually $8. Then we have this back to school. It's called Saved by the Bell. This is a $5 panel now as well. And I think we're doing a school bundle on Sunday, so it might go well with that. And then we're also going to do, this is a yard panel, so it's usually $11.99. It'll be $7.99. It's tailor-made, the large squares, bunch of sewing machines and things on that one, scissors, all of that for seamstress and sewers and quilters and all the things. So those are our sale panels. We're going to try and feature a few sale panels each week, I think, from now on. We have a few new patterns too, some of our $2 patterns, which you guys love. This one is called Personality. Really sweet. And I think that might be applique. Yes, that is applique, but the templates are here on the card. And then there's Seashell from Villa Rosa Designs. Those are nice, and those are 5-inch squares. And then there's Cross Stitch, which I think is really sweet, and it uses this example uses some Cory Yoder fabric in it, so that is fun. That's a fat quarter friendly. So those are a couple new there. And then of course we have more Christmas because it's the last day of Christmas in July, right? Okay, so we got some voltage for you and some pre-cuts and a kit. So this is the Homegrown Holiday Kit from Deb Strain. Love Deb Strain. Love this kit. It's just really great. I mean, that's Christmas in Ohio, people. And then we have, so we did some of this for sample spree. We got some more in. This is Juniper, fat quarter bundle. Then we have the Holliberry from Miss Cory Yoder as well, who just took over the Moda Instagram account yesterday, so check that out. She's super fun and adorable. We also have the Jelly Roll from Holliberry as well. Then we have Naughty and, oh no, this is Homegrown Holiday, sorry, from Deb Strain. We also have Naughty and Nice, Basic Gray, and this is Winter White by Holly Taylor. I'll show you those. Pretty sure all of our sample sprees of this stuff sold out, so it's just really great Christmas stuff this year. And then we have, oh wait, down here we have, this is Moda. This is their Forest Frost glitter. It goes with their Forest Frost colors they came out with, the greens, the reds, the blues, the blacks, all of that we featured a while back. And then we have a 3 Wishes line. This is called, let me check to make sure I get it right. Yeah, it's Winter Forest. So you got some birds on there, the wreaths, and then this looks like candy canes. And then this is, sorry, I'm going to swing around here. This is the Naughty or Nice bolts we have from Basic Grey. I love this. I think this is probably one of my favorite Christmas prints right now. So I'm going to get me some of that if you guys don't buy it all. So, in other news, what do we have going on? Oh, shopping Sunday, live, Facebook. Not in the right order of words, but we have a Facebook Live. It'll be Caleb and I, the original Dream Team. It'll be Sunday, August 2nd, so in 2 days, at 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and there will be all sorts of fun bundles on there.
We're bringing back cork.
And we're bringing back cork. We got our huge cork shipment in. I bought, I think, almost every single color the company offers. It was a lot. And it's super fun. It was actually hard to pick which ones we were going to have on the show this Sunday. But we'll keep featuring cork. We'll go through all the colors we have. But we'll have 4 new colors, I think 5 maybe, for you this Sunday. So check that out as well. You can see my cork earrings here that Caleb's cousin made with the rainbow splatter paint cork. They're super fun. So until Sunday, happy quilting, and stay cool if you're here in Ohio, because it's like a high of 80. It's amazing. So anyways, we'll see you Sunday. Bye.